This is what I would do if I needed to build a $10,000 per month AI influencer online from scratch. I know you have seen other videos showing you how to create an AI influencer, but let me tell you a secret. Have you wondered how you can monetize it to make money online? Getting to $10,000 per month is very hard, but with this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an AI influencer from scratch. Don't expect to make money with your AI influencer until you watch how you will be able to monetize it. Click the like and subscribe button, and without further ado, let's dive in. To create your AI influencer, click on the first link in the video description and head over to this platform, APOB AI. Click on Create for Free and sign in or sign up with your email account. You can see from the top here that APOB AI gives you 80 daily credits to generate your AI influencer for free, but I'm on the paid plan. Now, when I scroll down here, you can see that these are some kinds of generations of images of different AI influencers, which look very amazing and very beautiful. You can see that most of the images are showing consistent characters and different styles with different costumes. Let me show you proof of my personal AI influencer from the top section here. You can see the types of images I generated from this section. I created a video face swap where I swapped a face in a video with my AI influencer. Clicking on View More allows you to see my AI influencer displaying different hairstyles and engaging in various activities in different images, creating a consistent character. Let me save you some time. To create your own AI influencer, go to the Home button, click on Create Portrait Model, and then select AI Influencer Generator. Pay attention when selecting the type of AI influencer you want. For example, you need to choose the gender. I'm selecting a woman and adjusting the age to 23. Let's choose the country for the AI influencer. I'm going to select American. When it comes to the eyes customization of the AI influencer, the eyes section here, I'm going to choose blue eyes. Moving on to the hairstyle, you can select any kind of hairstyle that you want. You can see that you have different kinds of hairstyles that you can choose from, about hundreds of hairstyles for your AI influencer to have. So when I scroll up here, I'm going to select one from this section over here. I will select lemonade braids and I'll click on it. The next one is the color of the hair. You can choose any color for your AI influencer, and I'm going to choose the red one. The next one is face selection. Now, when it comes to face selection, depending on the one that you prefer, you can choose circle, diamond, heart, and I want the square round over here so that my AI influencer will have that kind of facial appearance. Now you can see that we have customized our AI influencer. When it comes to this section, you can check one of these boxes. You can let your AI influencer have a dimple, a beard, or a suntan. I'm going to choose the dimple over here, then click on the Generate button to generate my AI influencer. Voila! You can see that our AI influencer has been generated and it looks very beautiful, and it came according to the kind of selection that we chose. Click on Select this image as reference image so that we can generate different kinds of styles with this AI image. Now from this section over here, we are going to name our influencer as Kate. When it comes to the description, you can just give a short description for your AI influencer over here. I'm going to type in a young American woman with red hair. After you click on Create Your AI Influencer button over here, we are going to modify our AI influencer in terms of styles, architecture, landscape, and more. And here you can see that we have different kinds of styles and different kinds of actions that we can let our AI influencer perform over here. For example, I'm going to choose the spot here and select the aspect ratio 9:16 for Instagram Reels and click on the Generate button. Since it's generating, let's go ahead and generate another one from this section. So when I scroll through, you can see that we have different kinds of actions and poses that we can choose. And I'm going to select the library and click on the Generate button. You can see that our AI influencer pose has been generated with this AI tool, which is incredible. Here's a simple hack to help you. Sometimes you can see that this AI influencer, which is called Aitana over here, shows some kind of realistic poses, which look very, very realistic. So to do that, we are going to click on the complete set over here. And from here, we could choose from a large variety of poses, which look very amazing and incredible. For instance, this one, I will choose this one over here called Cold Morning. And you can see that we also have 3D animation over here, and you can choose from any one that you want concerning how you want your AI influencer to be and click on the Generate button. Then I would go ahead and generate a different one. I will select burpees over here and click on the Generate button. And guys, you can see that it has generated the one that we wanted from every single pose that we wanted it to be, from coffee shop to gym and all of that. You can see that it's very amazing and very easy. Now, if you have a special pose in mind or a special style for your AI influencer, you click on the Expect button over here. Then you type in any kind of style or any kind of pose that you want. For example, I'm going to type in driving a car Over here, when it comes to the negative prompt, you can leave it as optional, but I'm going to type in computer generated so that we can have a perfect image. Then I'll click on the generate button to generate the image. Guys, you can see that it has generated our AI influencer with the kind of prompt that we wanted it to be, and you can see that it looks very realistic and very amazing. You can't even tell that it's an AI generated image. Now you could generate a video or download it, or you can upscale it with one click of a button. Now you might be wondering if you can do the same thing on a mobile phone. You can see the images that we generated on the computer over here. Now from here we are going to the video face swap section over here. When I click on it, I'm going to select this video over here, select Ultra for a higher resolution, and then I'll generate the video. Guys, you can see that it has face swapped the video that I uploaded with my AI influencer, which is very amazing and very realistic. Let me tell you a secret to monetize your own influencer. Head over to Google and search for FanView and click on the first link. Click on follow for free and sign in with your email account, which is completely free. From this section, you need to click your profile. Then you'll start to edit your profile over here with your AI influencer. The image that you generated with APOB AI, you need to upload the images over here. You can see that this AI influencer over here, Aitana Lopez, is charging about $7 per month over here. And you can post all the images that you have generated with APOB AI. You can have 80 credits daily. You can generate your AI influencer. And if you want to take this as a business, you can subscribe to the paid plan for about $5 every month for 5,000 credits. To do that, click on my exclusive link in the video description to sign up. And don't forget to use my code AITech15 inches for a 15% discount.